Hello everyone, welcome to Crypto Shield. Today we are talking about how to keep your digital money known as cryptocurrency safe. One of the best ways to protect your cryptocurrency is by using a digital wallet. There are many kinds of wallets, some support different kinds of digital money and other offer benefits like earning interest. Today's topic is Zango the safest cryptocurrency wallet since 2010? We often hear not your keys, not your crypto. This means if you don't control the security keys, you don't really own your cryptocurrency. Sadly, this has led to over $100 billion losses due to lost keys, scams, and hackers. We'll discuss why Zengo, which uses MPC-based wallet, might be the safest option. Welcome back to Crypto Shield. We've got another interesting video for you. So, what makes Zengo different? Before Zengo, you had two choices. Keep your money on a centralized exchange, use a self-custody crypto wallet with private keys. Zengo changes this. It uses something like Face ID on your iPhone instead of a seed phrase. The security is split between Zengo's servers and your personal cloud backup. I've been using Face ID with Zengo without any problems. What if you lose your phone? Zengo says you can recover your wallet using your face. In the account area, there's a keyless backup option and even add a face map of a family member or friend. Plus, you can backup your files on your cloud, Drive, or Dropbox. This is a new way to store your cryptocurrency. Zengo provides more details on their website. An exchange is easy to use and has many features. It will manage your crypto for you, but you don't really control your crypto. The exchange can take it for various reasons. Traditional wallets let you control your crypto, but they have a big risk, your private key. If it's hacked, lost, or stolen, you could lose all your crypto. Understanding Zengo's MPC technology. Zengo uses a cutting-edge technology called MPC or multi-party computation. This might sound complex, but it's a game changer in crypto security. Traditional wallets rely on a single private key, which if lost or stolen, can mean losing your crypto. MPC, however, splits the responsibility of security across multiple parties. This means there's no single point of failure, making it incredibly difficult for hackers to compromise your wallet. Why MPC matters? In the world of cryptocurrency, security is paramount. We've all heard horror stories of lost or stolen keys, leading to lost fortunes. MPC addresses this by eliminating the traditional private key altogether. This approach has been trusted by large financial institutions for years and now accessible to everyday users, offering peace of mind and enhanced security. Zengo's facial biometric. Another layer of Zengo's security is its use of encrypted facial biometric. Think of it like Face ID, but for your crypto wallet. If your phone is lost or stolen, you don't have to panic about your crypto. Your face is your key, and as long as you have access to another device with a camera, you can recover your wallet. This biometric approach adds a personal and almost unbreakable layer of security. Three-factor authentication. Zengo doesn't stop at facial recognition. It employs a robust three-factor authentication system. It includes your face scan, encrypted and stored privately, ensuring that only you can access your account. This triple-layered security model is rare in the crypto world and places Zengo at the forefront of secure crypto storage. The challenge of asset mobility. One potential downside of Zengo's approach is the difficulty in moving assets without traditional private keys. In standard wallets, a private key can be used across different platforms. Zengo's model, focused on security, makes this kind of flexibility more challenging. However, when weighing the risk of losing assets due to key vulnerabilities, the trade-off for security seems worth it. Earning interest with Zengo. Zengo isn't just about storing cryptocurrency. It's also an opportunity to grow your investment. You can earn interest on your Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies like Tezos. The process is incredibly user-friendly. With a simple click on the Earn button, you can start accumulating interest, even with a modest amount. Like my $200 in Bitcoin, the interest accumulates over time, offering an additional benefit beyond just secure storage. Zengo's comprehensive features. Let's break down what makes Zengo stand out. Security. With no private key vulnerability, Zengo offers a level of security unmatched by the traditional wallet. Asset management. Buy, sell, and trade a wide range of cryptocurrencies. Zengo supports over 70 different crypto assets, NFT and DEFI. Safely store, view, and explore NFTs and DEFI projects. Zengo's secure environment is perfect for both beginners and experienced users. Crypto gaming and D app. Dive into the world of crypto gaming and thousands of decentralized apps without worrying about security risk. Web 3.0 access. Connect to the emerging world of Web 3.0 with confidence. Zango's built-in firewall protects against common online threats, ensuring your digital assets remain safe. User-friendly experience. Zango's native apps for Android and iOS are designed for ease of use. Setting up your wallet takes less than a minute, and the interface is intuitive and straightforward. Customer support. Round-the-clock customer services is available directly within the app. Whether you are a crypto novice or a seasoned trader, help is always at hand. Final thoughts and next step. Zengo represents a significant leap forward in crypto wallet technology. Its blend of MPC technology, biometric security, and user-friendly features make it a top choice for anyone looking to secure the digital assets. Thanks for joining us on Crypto Shield. We are excited to bring you more content on the evolving world of cryptocurrency. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Turn on notifications so you don't miss our next video. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Zango, so please leave your comments below. Stay tuned for more insights and tips from the world of cryptocurrency. See you in the next video.